Hi everyone, this is a quick tutorial on purchasing credits with send mode and downloading your invoices afterwards. So when you log into send mode, you generally come to the dashboard here, and the purchasing credits is down on the left hand side, the fifth icon down. This is the credit, the product list available. This will only be available to verified customers, so we will verify all customers for your own security, so that anyone who's not verified won't be allowed to purchase any credits from the system. Basically, you choose whichever product you wish. We have an offer where we will always double your first purchase. So if you buy 1,000 credits, we will give you 1,000 for free as a thank you for choosing send mode. So you click the buy now here on the right hand side. That basically takes you to the e-commerce engine, and then you can click buy now and add your credit card details and purchase credits. We then add on the double credits onto your account. So once you have purchased, on the second tab here will be a purchasing history. This gives you a list of all the purchases that you've made and allows you to see a VAT invoice or a normal invoice for your purchases. So if you click on generate invoice here, you'll see the invoice come up, and you can then export this invoice to a number of different formats: PDF, Excel, or rich text format, which is essentially a Word document. So if you just click export, that then exports it and downloads it to your system. That's the tutorial on purchasing and exporting your invoices. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at any time. Thank you.